A little over a year ago, we took a Viking river cruise on the Danube River. We had a one-day stop in Cesky Krumlov, a historical, picturesque town in the Bohemian region of the Czech Republic. Come and explore with us. Our riverboat, the Vilhjilm, glided along the Danube River to the city of Linz in Austria. From there, we took a bus through the countryside to the Czech Republic to the Bohemian town of Cesky Krumlov.
First of all, in the case that you get lost.
As we arrived in the city, we met our guide. She gave us an overview of the region. We climbed upwards to Old Town, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Just before the main castle entrance, we crossed the stone bridge over the bear moat. Bears were kept here since 1707 by the Rosenberg family, who believed the bears were ancestors of their lineage. The stone bridge replaced the wooden bridge in 1760. I didn't see any bears, but I might add that the bear moat has been modernized for the comfort of the bear. I couldn't help but fall in love with the colorful towers of the city and the terracotta red roofs of the home. Our next stop was the Cesky Krumlov Castle. It is the second largest castle in the Czech Republic. Can you believe these walls are actually painted to look like stone? We then stopped at an overlook where we could again enjoy the colorful towers and the terracotta red roofs of the homes. What a beautiful view! We then went to Swarnosti Square, which is the main square in Cesky Krumlov. In the basement of City Hall is the Museum of Torture. We did not visit it. We had free time to explore on our own. Of course, the shopping district in Old Town was so interesting. Cesky Krumlov is famous for its high-quality Bohemian glass and crystal. This is a nice view of the Vltava River on which Cesky Krumlov lies. We finally arrived at an old world cafe for lunch. I'm not exactly sure of what we ate, but it was absolutely delicious and different from anything else I've ever eaten. What do you think of this Royal Crowned Cola? This restaurant was once a blacksmith shop. The decor was very eclectic and old-worldish. Our next stop was the majestic Gothic Cathedral of St. Vitus. The beauty of this church was stunning. Cesky Krumlov was definitely an old world experience, and I loved every moment of it. Now the time has come to return by bus to Linz and to our Viking Riverboat. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the road.